I reached this place. I am very tired now because I get uphill with just this much of battery. Not enough. There is another uphill there. For sure I will not be able to make it. And still I didn't find any hotel or place to stay. Good morning guys, we are now going to check out from this cabin. This is the room. Getting out of the room is this two bed, bunk bed, and this is the toilet, small toilet with the shower. And this is the living area. There is this dining table. This is like the kitchen. They have that. I have my bike here. There's the sofa here, and this is how it is outside. It is actually raining at the moment. I am ready for the rain because I have this rain jacket, rain trouser, and my boots is also waterproof. So yeah, we can go in the rain. Wow, they have a very nice place here. It was really dark when I arrived here last night and didn't notice that it's really beautiful. That is the Enhinya Holiday where I stay for the night, and they are in the very nice location. In front of them there is this lagoon, and then there is this sea, and then this one is a river all the way going to there. There is always a surprise. I bike coming from the breakwater, climbing up here, and this is the surprise. I need to get down in the stairway. How is that? We made it. Yeah, the good thing is that this is not heavy like most bikes. So even if this is carrying things like this much, I can still manage to lift it. Here we go. And this is how it looks here. The name of the place is Shelley Beach. Yeah, it is raining still. According to the lady in the caravan park, it is raining everywhere. I was actually here last night when I arrived because I was trying to figure out where's the way going to the other side to get to the caravan, but you know, I didn't see this. Also going up this last night is not the best thing to do, so that's why I roam around in the area, and it's going uphill. Like there are 3 hills to get to the other side, to the caravan, but I was able to manage. Yeah, but it was raining when I arrived to the caravan. I was wet. Okay, we go. Look how steep is that. I lost my phone. I need to go back. Yeah, I lost my phone, but you know, I'm hoping that I'm going to see it. We are back here, and there is a couple. They said to me that they will stay there in the bike so that I can check the phone. This is the last spot where I take pictures of my bike using that iPhone 6s. Yeah. And then I bike all the way to the Shell Beach, and here, because this one is rocky area, so I thought it's here. I checked it like 3 times, but I didn't found it. And then I drive all the way to the town and that is where I realized that I lost my phone. And then I already went by in there 2 times to check, but yeah, it is not there. I didn't see it. It was raining when I lost it. It was raining when I realized that it's lost. Yeah, I don't know. I tried to locate using my computer with the Find My iPhone, but yeah, it's showing offline. The only online is my MacBook. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to find it. Maybe I'm not going to see it anymore. I'm going to the caravan office. Maybe someone surrendered it there. We'll just try. You know, I'm still hopeful that I'm going to see the iPhone. Okay, yeah, I'm still looking for a solution, you know. That's why I bought this my new telephone. Yeah, this one. Yeah, look at the brand is Optus. It comes already with a SIM card. You really need to open to put the battery and the SIM card. I remember the Nokia phone. Because I really need to find the mobile phone. That's why I decided to check in again in another hotel. I don't know the name of this hotel, but yeah, because I went to the Inhenia Holidays where I stay, and then we called the number and it was ringing, and because of that I was hoping that the mobile phone is still working, because you know it was raining when I lost it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to stay in this hotel, and we're going to find that. I actually bought a new phone so that I can use that to, you know, to call or to, you know, yeah, just I need to find that. Yeah, so I just came from there and I'm very happy because I got a call from the person, from the lady who found my phone this morning. He said he was walking her dog and then he found my phone. Yeah, now I'm going to meet him. She said she is in the post office now. I'm going to get her now. Okay, and since I got my phone back and I stayed in this hotel for one night more, so I think it's best time to explore the place. Yeah. As I was looking for my phone, I noticed that this place is really beautiful. The town is in the top of the hill, up there. Oh, look at this beautiful view. If you are living or staying in that apartment, you see this beautiful view. I think there's no more rain coming. I don't know, I'm not sure, but we're going to explore this place by just walking around. This is the police station, just in the center of the town. And look at that down there. Yeah, the town is really in the center of on the top of the mountain. Oh, look at this. We are going uphill, relax and easy with this electric bike. And if you look at this, another relax and easy going uphill. That is why electric bike is amazing. There, can you see? This is not edited, this is natural. Whoa, that thing that I did is impossible to, you know, the electric bike with the rear hub motor. You notice this going uphill. I did climb there last night, but it was raining, so yeah, I was a little hesitant, but I still managed to go up there. This bike is really amazing. We are in this lookout. So from here you're going to see the sea, and then there is the Nambuca River. I'm not sure if that is Nambuca River, but yeah, I think so. And that is where I stayed last night, if I'm not mistaken. That side, yeah, one cabin. Inside is good, and I walk all the way through there in the morning, and that is where I think I lost my phone. I went back there like 3-4 times, but I didn't found it. But the thing is, I already booked another room because I really wanted to find this iPhone. Yeah, so I put all my things in the room so that I can bike without the luggage, without the things, so it's lighter. And yeah, when I went there, I was looking there slowly walking in every details of the, for me to see the iPhone. And I speak to some people there. I said I lost my phone. Yeah, yeah, just and yeah, until I got a call that the phone is with them.